Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus Nord CE free Lite to an Android device. First of all, just open Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Nextly, to set it up, tap on the same options on both smartphones. First of all, I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. To close it, click on OK. Now pick Send at the bottom left corner of OnePlus and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to OnePlus smartphone. Now you can finally select all of your files that you wish to transfer. In order to do that, use categories located at the top. In those categories, to select multiple files at once, tap on those dots at the top left corners. If you want to select only a few, just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one. Wherever you do, when you finished, click on Send next to selected. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!